Hello, good morning. Today we're talking about the fourth pillar of mindfulness, and this pillar is called trust. And trust can sometimes be a hard pillar for people to handle because we've been trained, at least I was, and I know a lot of people that have thought the same way that I have, which is you look at the worst case scenario. What is the worst thing that can happen? I need to prepare for the worst case scenario. Now, if anybody is a worrier out there, you know that 99.9% of the time, the things that you worry about don't come true. So why are we putting so much of this negative energy into a worry? When you think about something, you can have an emotional and chemical reaction in your body. So imagining the worst case scenario, although it is a little bit of a way to kind of pre-deal with things happening, it's not the best. It's not the best way to go about things. Instead of trying to worry about what is the worst thing that can happen, when you feel yourself moving in that direction where you're not trusting, you're nervous about what the outcome could be, try, just for fun, why not? Think about what is the best case scenario. What's the best outcome that you could have in this particular situation? And just trust and watch how things unfold for you. You're so taken care of, so much more than you realize, and things are almost always going in your favor. So pay attention to all the good things and trust that things will turn out the way that you want them to. And thank you.